58 cubic centimeters with 2-stroke motors for incredible power with efficient fuel consumption, reduces fuel consumption up to 20%. The maximum engine speed with cutting attachment is 8,500 rpm. Air cleaning system for long air filter life and reduced fuel consumption. Automatic chain oiler keeps bar and chain lubricated, extends the life of the chainsaw. Chainsaw with 20-inch low kickback bar and chain for reliable starts in all conditions, equipped with quick start technology making pull starts easier. The ergonomic design paired with the cushion wrap handle makes this chainsaw balanced, maneuverable, and comfortable to operate. Our products are all in US warehouse, you can receive it soon. We offer you 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee to let you buy with confidence. Warranty and friendly customer service. We are quite sure that you will be super impressed with durability, portability, and high quality of our chainsaw.